So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I'm going to unbox Mivi DuoPods F30. So here's some specification and main highlight of this is it has 30 driver which is very powerful bass producer. So let's unwrap this plastic. Box quality is very good and plastic is very good. This box is perfectly packed. Wait, I don't have right now tripod stand, so I'm shooting with my phone, so for it's little shaking, so please, I'm sorry for that. Hope you will be with me till the video. Okay, so it's finally unwrapped. Oh wow, box look very premium. So you can see here, this box is very premium. Wow, we doing best job in packaging, I can say that. Okay, wait. Okay, so here's some. Okay, this is I think warranty card. Okay, 1 year warranty card and manual and some other things. So wait, let's put it aside, and here is some wires. Let me unbox it clearly. I bought this Mivi DuoPods because Techno Burner, a famous YouTube channel, recommend this DuoPods in budget. Okay. Oh, here's. Okay, so here is this micro USB type C. Okay, type C. Lots of DuoPods don't have this type of C. Oh, so this is the main thing. So this is very cute and compact. Wow, look premium in hand. So here's the main thing. You can go to watch a Techno Burner YouTube channel. He recommend this DuoPods because of fine tuning, best tuning in budget. So wait. Okay, wow, look amazing. Feeling is very premium. I bought this because of it is famous for bass, not music quality, but bass is very great in this, trust me. Okay, I will review it after 1 month and give honest opinion. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.